Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week. I have $554 that I'm going to be putting into my envelopes. And I first wanted to start off by saying I am going to be releasing some new products today, restocking these wallets. There's a new color that's actually going to be releasing. And then these binders will be releasing. Some of my savings challenges that I've made are going to be releasing as well. Some envelopes. There's a few different products that are going to be releasing today. So if you've been interested in purchasing those, they will be up on my website, happytoplan.com, which is always linked down in the description at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's when everything will be releasing. So I think this video is going up before then. So if you didn't know, now you know that stuff is releasing. If you want to check that out, definitely hit that link. But for now, I'm going to just plan out my next cash stuffing by planning out all the money that's going into these envelopes. First, starting off in my wallet, which is just getting my normal $170 amount. So the breakdown of that is in spending, this is getting 30, eating out gets 30, groceries is getting 80, coffee 20, and buffer 10. So that's a total of 170. I'm just going to start subtracting that over here. That leaves me with 385 for the rest of my envelopes. So my sinking funds and savings challenges, which I'm actually going to first start off in savings challenges because I have a fun little power up dice game that I like to play. And this one is always like random. So I get my dice and a little sticky note so I can play this game. Okay, so I'm going to roll first just to see how many times I'm rolling, and then I will roll to see what I will be putting into each envelope. Okay, one. Let me roll one time. Okay, 3. I feel like 3 is a better number. 1, because I just didn't want to get $1. I just wanted to put a little bit more. Okay, so here are the rolls. 5 and 5. 5 and 5, which is 1 little star. Next roll, 2 and 1, another star, and then 2 and 6, another star. Okay, so I'm putting $3 in here. Nice. Okay, so that is 3. I'm going to write that down over here. Power up 3. Okay, take that away. All right, and I think I'll come back to my savings challenges. That's the only one I want to get out of the way since I have to roll for that one. I like to just get that one out of the way before I move into the other envelopes. All right, so I'm going to go into my black binder. And these are going to be releasing, like I said, all these colors that I have. I think I have 10 colors of this particular binder, which is really nice. This one doesn't have the bill, like little pocket, but it does have a nice like coin zip pocket, and yeah, it's cute. I love this. I love this material. It's super durable. Never have any issues with it. Okay, so I'm actually going to first start off with emergency. This one, this week, I'm going to put 15 in emergency. I like to start off with emergency, extra savings. We'll get 15 as well. And then also in this binder, treat yourself. I like to just match all of these. So this one's going to get 15 as well. 15. Those are like my important binders. I like to make sure I get the most in each week. All right, now I'm just going to go down the line on these. Auto repair, I'm going to put 10 in auto repair. Electronics is also getting 10. Emergency is done and extra savings is done. Furniture, not super, like, not a huge priority on furniture. So this one's gonna get 5. Actually, I'm trying to get things for my room and I don't know yet like what the next item I want to get for my room. So that's why I'm just like, not a huge priority. When it happens kind of thing. Rainy day. Actually, I'm taking a day off next week. So I'll just put 10 in here. -10. Registration, no. Road trip. You know what? I think I need to put 15 in here because I'm going out of town and I need gas money. Scentsy is getting 5. That's not a huge priority. Subscriptions will get 5 as well. And travel will get 5. Okay. I like to at least put something into each envelope, even if it's like just $5. I mean, even if it was just $1. Like, as long as I get something in it, then it's good. Beauty. I actually want to do 10 in here. Clothing, also 10. Content will get 5. Costco will get 5 as well. Family. I'm going to hang out with my family this week. I'm going with my brother and his family to Disneyland, so I'm gonna put 10 in here. Gifts, 10. Home, 10. Household, I need to get a couple of things. I'm gonna put 10 in here. And Target, 10. I think I might be able to bump up some of these because I still have a good amount. So let me see. First, I'm going to just fill in what I have and then I can figure that out. Okay, this pink binder. I love this like pink binder. It's so cute. Go Wild is going to get 10. Disneyland. Okay, so I'm going to Disneyland. I only have 18. This definitely needs, I'm going to put 15 in here. I might have to bump this up a little bit more, but 15 right now. Holiday decor is just going to get 5. Christmas is just going to get 5. I already reached my goal amount for this one, so right now it's just adding a little bit in each week. Fun, 10. Already did treat yourself, and hobbies is just going to get 5. Okay, so yeah, I do have a decent amount that I can bump up a couple more of these, more than I thought, which is good. So let me get my white out so I can adjust some of these numbers a little bit. Okay, so for sure I want to do, I'm going to bump these up $10, like emergency, extra savings, and treat yourself are going to get, oops, white out, 25. 25. So that's $30 right there. Okay, like I said, I'm going out of town. So road trip money, I definitely want to bump that up. I'm going to put that to 20. So that's another 5. And then Disneyland, I'm going to bump up to 25. So that was another 10. 96. Oh yeah, rainy day, I'm gonna bump up to 20, so that's another 10. Okay, so I'm left with 86. Okay, what other envelopes do I need? You know, I'm gonna do household 15. That's another 5. Okay, with that number, I think I'm gonna go to my savings challenges because I have the 100 envelope challenge that I need to fill. I don't want to do a huge amount. I think more mid, and then I could bump it up with some leftover money in my wallet. So that's kind of the plan for that one. So I think I want to do, let's see, I don't have anything in this pocket yet, in this little sheet. So 25. We'll do 25 in this one. So 100 envelope, 25. Okay, so I'm left with 56, and I still have some savings challenges that I need to go through. So first one is this 52 circles. I'm gonna do 10. 52 circles. Okay, and then I have the super adorable little October Savings Challenge. This is releasing in my shop today. It'll be a bundle with each month has a cute little seasonal pig in it, and this month is a little witch pig, which is super adorable. So yeah, it'll be a whole bundle, either in matte or glossy. You can have that option depending on your preference of how you like to have your savings challenges. I like mixture. I like a mixture of all the kinds. Glossy, paper, matte, all that kind of stuff. So this $10 challenge, I'm going to do 20. $10, 20. And then the $5 challenge, I'm going to do 15. I'm left with 11, and that $11 is just going to go into my dollar challenge. I'm just going to get 11 ones for that one. And I think that is correct. I'm going to double check though, because I want to make sure I didn't mess up anywhere. So I'm just going to calculate all this, make sure this does total out to 554, and then I can move on to the tally part of this planning. All right, so 554, that total is correct. Everything is good. All right, now I'm just going to figure out the denominations I'm going to be asking for when I go to the bank today, and just calculating all that, making sure that that still all totals out to 554. So auto repair is 10, that's going to get a $10 bill. Electronics is 10. Emergency 25, so 20 and a 5, and so is extra savings. Furniture is 5. Rainy day 20. So is road trip. And Scentsy is 5. Subscriptions 5. Travel is 5. Beauty 10. Couple 10s here. Content is 5, and so is Costco. Then I have a few 10s here. So family, gifts, and home 10. Household 15. Target 10. Go Wild 10. Disneyland is 25. Holiday decor is 25. Christmas is, oh wait, sorry, I messed up. Holiday decor is just 5. Christmas is 5. Fun is 10. Treat yourself is 25. Hobbies 5. Power up is 3, so that's 3 ones. 100 envelope is 25, so that's a 20 and a 5. 52 circles is a 10. And then $10 challenge is 20, so that's 2 10s. $5 challenge is 15, so that's 3 5s. And $1 challenge is 11. Okay, so now I'm just gonna count the tallies. So 50s is 1, 20, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 10s. 5s, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Hold on, let me double check that, because I feel like I messed up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, I didn't. Okay, and then 1s is 11, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so I'm just going to total this up. So 50, 20 times 10 is 200. 10 times 9 is 190. Okay, and then 19 times 5 is 95. 19 times 5 is 95, and then 18. Okay, now I'm just gonna total all this up, make sure it still totals up to the 554. Otherwise, I made a mistake. Oop. Sorry, I totally messed up on the calculation. 190, 95, and 18. I'm missing a 1. Oh no. 11. Oh, I know I'm missing a 1. I counted this wrong. This is 11, 16, 17, 18, 19. My bad. Okay. 19. At least that one was easy because it was like 1, it had to be in this column. All right, so 50, 200, 190, 95, and 19. 554. All right, perfect. So now let me get a sticky note. And I'm just going to write on here the totals, and then I like to just give this to the teller. So 50s, I'm asking for 1, and that's a total of $50. 20 times 10, and that's $200. 10 times 19 is 190. 5 times 19, oh my goodness, they're all 19. Just realized that. Is 95. And then 1 times 19 is $19. And that's a total of $554. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put this in my wallet so I can take this to the bank with me and get all that money out for my next cash stuffing. All right, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Again, release is happening today. If you've been seeing some of these products that I use in my own cash stuffings, then definitely check out my site later today at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time because I'm releasing some of them. So yeah, definitely check that out. And thank you so much for watching, especially if you watched to the very end. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to do that. But yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.